Hi guys, welcome to the UX course, and we are at module 4 chapter 3. We already learned chapter 3, which is text box, form and variation, and also how many variables you can create for text boxes, like if there is an error, or if it is empty, and if it is just placeholder, and you have to fill in other information. And what if you're typing and some error comes in? So that validations we already covered in module 4.3, and we will be moving to uh, module 4.4, wherein we will learn about consistency, design library, how to create design library, which we already are working on with buttons, iconizations, and fonts and typography. So this chapter will sum up why it is important, and how this can help you keep your design consistent throughout the project. So let's go ahead and let's see what this course is all about. Module 4 and chapter 4 as well. All right. So in terms of theory, let's begin from variables. How does variable help you keep things consistent? So this is more like a whole of recap. So let's see what we built. So we started building with colors. We built brand color 2, gray, off white, dark and error. These are very basic color. We'll have to build more colors around it with percentages of white and percentages of black as well, to keep variation between dark mode and bright mode. And then we built typography, and we built family of typography, which we are using for title and others could be anything like body and indicator, subtitle and all of that. For title we are using DM serif black, and for body and other types we are using DM sans. And then we worked around weight. Weight is like if it is bold, if it is regular, if it is thin. So we built two kind of variations for weight, normal and bold. And then we built sizes of each font, what kind of sizes we will be utilizing within the font. From title, body, subtitle small, body large, body small, indicator large, indicator normal. And we put all the typography together, and we put them into style. So let's go ahead and see the styles. So you can see you have put title, this is grouped by body, this is grouped by subtitle, this is grouped by indicator. So all of these are converted, and we also see how it helped us in terms of consistency. So let's see, if there are n number of pages, two two pages, and this is a different kind of content. Let's say it's a right now it's a detail page, but what if it was not a detail page, but it was more of a thumbnail page? So what we could do in thumbnail pages, what you have is you have title, and you have small description. So this could be like body. So we will use body for this. So let's use body normal, and we won't need this, and we won't need button. Obviously button can be next, we can use that. And we can put all of these in one container. Let's say uh, thumbnail, and we can duplicate this, and let's change the title here. news on crypto. We can change the title to news on uh, world FIFA, world of car racing. So you can see throughout the whole, I changed to a different page. I did not have to recreate the design for title or body or anything. Uh, Everything came from the library itself, font library, which is we have created here, font library. And also you saw that we did not have to readjust the layout. Everything is just adjusted. Let's say we can go here in body and you can see the gap is already adjusted by variable. So if you hover over here, you can see object spaces and big. We have applied big spaces within here. So we don't have to recreate manually every time. This will uh, every time we create a page, we can just apply. So we don't have to keep thinking that what should be the space here, what should be the space there. If you have already decided and you have to don't manually enter the space, you can predefine once and you can keep reusing it all the time. And so that is about typography. And let's say if we go about sizing, so let's go ahead and see sizing. So if you see in sizing, we have three different kind of sizes. Sizes which are like which can be utilized for icons and boxes or any kind of element. And then you have spaces, which is more like we can utilize for padding and gaps. And corner you can utilize for box corners. So let's see sizing we applied for icons. We have it here. So if you see here in this icon, or let's go to an icon we already have it and turn that icon on. So if you turn the icon on, you can see the icon size is predefined. Okay, it layout size, which is 14. Let's say if we have defined it properly within the system design component. Yes, see, we have already predefined everything within system design component. So it comes from object sizes and this is we are using the smallest part. And see, all the icons are already predefined according to the sizes. And in terms of space, if you see, let's go ahead and see it in the layout. So if you see in the body, we already have 34 spacing and it is predefined because you can see the dark background around it. That means it is already predefined. And you can also predefine between spaces. So I'm using 21 here, which can be predefined. And then let's go and see the corners. So if you see here, let's on the top itself, corner is already predefined. And let's go. So in terms of predefinition, we have already predefined everything.